and helping kids walk for the first time.
Will you celebrate the child's first moment with your first monthly gift right now?
When you do, we'll send you this adorable Love to the Rescue blanket as a reminder of all the first moments you are helping create. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving. Please call or go online now. If I can help you, call now or go to lovekindness.org now. Your gift says you care.
You want to sign these for me, Judge?
Sure, you want to see a card trick right here? You cut the deck.
Want to sign those for me now, Judge?
Whatever you say. Did you say something?
Like what?
Like,
You're drooling all over the warrant.
It's Matt.
I'll go get some bibs.
Matt, are you okay?
Oh, yes, sir. It's a personal problem. Not the court's concern. I'll be fine.
You sure?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm sure. Next case, sir. Hubner versus Hubner.
That's what I thought you said.
You've done some pretty low things, Arlene, but this is the law. Hey, I don't need to be lectured about low from someone who's sleeping with Schleppo the Wonder Runt here.
Mr. Prosecutor, what's the story here?
Well, Your Honor, we have a tragic situation here involving an increasing alienation between the two sisters who stand before you. I'm sure the court records as much as the state does the circumstances which would cause
Make it brief, Dan.
Hatchet-Face snatched her father from the slut.
Really at them creepers. His hand on
Quick
them
correction custody of
creepers.
his father, Mr. Huebner, who was
Look
temporarily
at
staying in the home of the plaintiff,
Like
Miss
this
Laura
is
Huebner.
little baby.
Daddy always loved me best. That's a lie. He almost
He just
disowned her when
can't
she
take
took
his
up with
hand
this
off them
slob.
creepers.
But I didn't marry the slob, did I? Even worse, you moved in with him.
And the slob is...
Neil Gorman, Your Honor. Slob's just a nickname my parents gave me.
Well, I guess Butch was kind of out of the question.
Your Honor, my father's dying
You
words
taking
were, no matter
me?
what, don't make me go with Arlene.
Are you taking me?
No, I was looking at the TV.
Right, with your camera light on?
Camera light on.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Well, just the way you were talking about him, I kind of got the impression that he was, here.
He is, Your Honor. This is Mr. Hubner.